Hey friends, in the previous videos we had seen how we can install and configure iSCSI targets and iSCSI initiators on Windows Server 2022. In fact, we had also seen how we can assign a virtual disks on iSCSI targets for accessing on iSCSI initiators. So currently you can see we had created two disks, data disk and quorum disk. So in the later videos we will create a failover cluster. That's why just giving this name, but you can change it accordingly how you just want to provide in your infrastructure. So currently you can see 60 GB and 1 GB we had created two virtual disk over here and specified the IQN number of these two iSCSI initiator servers, but currently these two are not connected on iSCSI targets. So we need to just make it sure how we can connect it on the iSCSI targets. So we need to just configure few settings on the iSCSI initiator. Either you can do it through the graphically or through the PowerShell command. So in this video I will show you through the graphical method. So what you need to do, just click on the server manager page and go on the tools and then iSCSI initiator. Here you have to just specify the target name of the iSCSI server. So I'm just putting the IP address. You can put it the DNS name of your iSCSI target server. So currently I'm putting only IP address. Now I'm going to click on the quick connect and so just this is the IQN number. So because this is the iSCSI target name which we just want to select, because earlier we had created, but you have to just go through the iSCSI target servers and you can cross check the name. So if you go on the server, so this is the iSCSI targets, this is the target name which we just want to select it on the iSCSI initiator. So I'm just putting this one, click connect and then done. So this has been connected now, and this is the IP address, discovery portal IP address, and this is the port which needs to be allowed if you are just configuring the storage, and if you are just configuring on different VLAN, if you are using a various multiple VLAN for your infrastructures, then you need to just allow this port for accessing the iSCSI targets on iSCSI initiators. Now click on OK. Similarly you have to do it on the another server as well. Just go on the tools and iSCSI initiator. Here you have to specify the IP address and click quick connect, and this is the name, connect. Now this has been connected. Click OK and see the discovery is also available. So click on OK and then click on the refresh on the storage. So your two disk like data disk and quorum disk will be available over here. So next you can also cross check it on the first server where you have configured the initiator. Click on the disk and now click on the refresh. So this two storage is also available on this initiator server. Now what you need to do, you need to just right click on this and click on the initialize, and similarly you need to also do this bring online. Now initialize this. So the partition is ready to use. So now what you need to do, if you go on the SRV02, so this storage is also available and it's initialized automatically once you have configured it, initialized on the primary server. So just rescan this disk, click yes. Now this partition is available. Just go on the SRV01. Now what you need to do, you need to just create a new volume over here. Click next, select disk 1 and then specify the size. Click next and specify the letter and volume label. Data, I just specified data and click on the create. This has been successfully created a disk. Now similarly what we will do, we will also create a disk on the 1 GB partition. So new volume, just do the refresh. New volume and click on next, next, and this is Q drive. I'm just specifying this Q drive, so this will be easier for me to identify when we will create a failover cluster. So QUORU quorum, click on next, click create. Click close. Now disk is available for accessing the storage. Next what you need to do, just go on this PC and just check this 2 drive is available. And similarly what you need to do, you need to just go on your secondary initiator server. Here you have to just go on the disk management and then go make it online, and then see this drive is available. Similarly you need to go on the second disk as well, which is 1 GB, and only click online. Now this disk is also available on both servers. So this is the method which you can follow to provide the disk through the iSCSI initiator from the iSCSI target server. So if you have just created iSCSI targets and you have configured a virtual disk and you want to access it on all initiators, so you have to just connect through the IQN number or IP address of the initiator on your iSCSI targets. Now just refresh it on the iSCSI targets and you will see this will come online and come connected. Currently it's showing not connected, but now you can see once I just refresh this page, so this is connected. It means the disk, data disk and quorum disk is currently used on both iSCSI initiators. So this is the method which you can follow to configure the iSCSI targets and iSCSI initiator on Windows Server 2022. Thank you for watching this video. In the upcoming video, we will configure the failover cluster by using this iSCSI targets and iSCSI initiators. So watch this video and just comment it and let me know if you have any queries regarding this iSCSI targets and iSCSI initiator.